This is the comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro and the RedMagic 10 Pro Plus. Who is going to be the fastest? Of course, I've done the end to benchmark with these two, and the RedMagic took it. It kind of embarrassed the iPhone 16 Pro. But right now, I'm going to go a little bit more practical. I'm going to do 4K export, about 90 seconds video for Reels on Capcut, which is a popular. So who is going to win? Who is going to export it faster? It's the same video. Let's see how it goes. So if you're ready, let's get ready to rumble. And the king of smartphone with the A18 Pro chip, the industry-leading chip of 2025, is the iPhone 16 Pro, weighing 200 grams. It is the king of smartphones until we have a new contender, weighing 230 grams with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It is dubbed the fastest smartphone of 2024, RedMagic 10 Pro Plus. So if you're ready, let's go on and export Capcut on these devices and see how they slug it out. Okay, the battle is up. 4K 30 FPS on Capcut on both devices. Now let's go. 3, 2, 1, ring the bell. And you can see it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. That was quick. That is embarrassing for the iPhone 16. Of course, the Capcut export finished in about 30 seconds. And the winner, the new smartphone king of 2025, RedMagic Pro Plus. Of course, come on, I'm a wrestling fan and never knew it was scripted when I was a kid, but come on, they did have some good script. So yeah, iPhone users, you're no longer the fastest. You're no longer the fastest, at least when it comes to video export and processing on a smartphone, no more. But like saying an iPhone, I go still buy. This is the new king of the smartphone in terms of speed and processing power, and also sustained performance, because yeah, it does come with a cooling fan inside. And let's just end this section with starting that fan. You feel it? Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon, because our full review of RedMagic 10 Pro Plus is coming out next week. You don't want to miss that. So thank you for watching, and until I see you in the next one, it is peace to our world.